Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, dash, dash.
Bus driver is here.
Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
Dimos, nice to have you here. Nice that you are not driving the bus right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to a very bullish stream. Let's get in the charts right away. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Ordering my Rambo, red or yellow? Pick pink, because you know red Lambos, yellow Lambos, they're all over the place. But pink Lambo, you're gonna get somewhere with that. That is not water. It is water actually. So Lambo passing. That's enough. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Are you excited as much as I am, guys? Are you excited as much as I am? I want to buy Dodge because of that track. Yeah, that track is making. Ron is in the house. You can see Ron the whale. Nice. Debuting, Immortal, all the TFNs club members. The TFNs club members are the ones that have the green name. Is this the last phase of Wyckoff? I don't know what Wyckoff is, but I actually know what Wyckoff is. But you know, we are just glad that it's actually breaking some kind of a resistance. We are pumping hard. You know, it's looking very good. And if somebody mentions Bloody Sunday again, like this actually settles it down. There is no such thing as Bloody Sunday in a bull market. Excited, yes, amazing. In love from Indianin. Phase D of Wyckoff, maybe it's phase D. Look at this candle, guys. This is a 4-hourly candle. Look how extended it is from the moving averages, guys. Went all the way up to the 200 moving average up here. Right now getting some kind of stop, so maybe some kind of pullback down here. We are waiting for, but it's so beautiful. Like as soon as it, you know, earlier I said we have to get above the 20 moving average. This is the 20 moving average. Look at this. This is confirmation, guys. Let's see the volume. There's the volume comes in. This is the 4-hour, but it's nice that it's up. It's still going a little bit down, but you know it's gonna come in. It's gonna come in. You know, people need time to like figure out what's going on. But we know what's going on. We know what's going on, guys. I figured you would go live for this. Yeah, definitely, Steve. Definitely, Steve. I knew I would go live. Like I was waiting for it. Nice, very nice. So I know people are thinking like this might be a fake or something like that, but you can see all the other YouTubers, like good YouTubers, they know what's up. They know what's up. Everybody knows what's up. And you've seen, guys. You've seen it. This, by the way, this is the Twitter. You know, you might want to join. I got 1,291 followers and 4 following. Not that I'm trying to pump the numbers on Twitter, but you know, I'll take what I get. Elon Musk, where is he? There is Elon Musk. Oh, he posted more. Esoteric meme of the day. What's this? I'm going to gradually replace every part of this boat with an identical new part. So it remains the ship of Theseus, right? I don't know if you guys know the story, whose boat it is, right? I don't know the names actually, but there was this guy that owned the boat, and over his lifetime he was changing from time to time. You know, the boat was made of the wood, so he was changing the planks on the boat from time to time. When one goes bad, he would change the new one, right? And there was this guy that was working on the boat that saved all the planks, right? So all of the old planks he was saving, and after a while he managed to build an identical boat with the old planks. And now the question comes, which is the real boat, the one with the old planks or the new boat with the same planks, or something like that. I think it's an interesting story, but you know, explain please the RSI for this moment. Did you see the RSI video, Ron? Did you see the RSI video on the technical analysis crash course today? I think that's a pretty decent explanation. But Elon Musk actually tweeted here somewhere. Where's his tweet, by the way? Where's his tweet? Is the tweet in the replies? Did you see? Oh yeah, this is inaccurate. Tesla only sold 10% of holdings, confirming BTC would be liquidated easily without moving the market. When there's confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy usage by miners with a positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. So this tweet over here is super bullish. I know that it will go sideways. It will go to 50. So I said it before, I'm saying it now. Elon Musk is a technical analysis because he knows exactly when to post tweets. He's really good at it. I'm gonna show you over here on this chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Elon Musk tweeted FUD exactly over here before the dump, and he tweeted you know, the bullish things right over here exactly when we are supposed to go down. Even before Elon Musk tweeted, everybody knew that this was coming to end and we are going to go up, but he knows when to tweet. Somebody is telling him when to tweet, guys. Somebody is telling him when to tweet. Shorting BTC now, let's go. Yeah, I mean, there is probably an option to short from the 200 moving average, sure, but you know, it's not a long-term short, you know. It's not a long-term short. Tell me when Lambo. Lambo is now, man. Lambo is now. Now is the time for Lambo. There's a chance he's still in love with his old flame. Absolutely. Timing is always perfect. Regards from Christian Sand. Hi man, how you doing? How's the weather in Christian Sand? Lol, you actually think he writes his own tweets a lot? I'm pretty sure he writes some of his own tweets, but the timing of the tweets is a little bit different because he knows exactly when to time tweets. Like we, the technical analysis, we see when something is about to happen and then the tweet comes, you know. So something is up, you know. Somebody is telling him something. That's for sure. That's 100% sure. Somebody is telling him something. We know that for 100, like a fact. That's a fact. So today we had a nice daily Bitcoin video where we are saying that, you know, the 20 moving average is really important over here, and we want to get above the 20 moving average. And even when I'm dumping down here, I was like, nothing's kept, because this dump over here, this dump over here was expected. We are talking about how this was expected and how we are supposed to go a little bit down before we actually continue going up over here. Even this dump over here was kind of expected, but I said, like, if you go down, it's gonna be down a little bit, and then we're gonna turn around and go back up, right? And I said, like, time to be bullish is above the 20 moving average. You can see here, I'm just repeating myself. Below the 20 moving average, below 20 moving average, and above 20, above 20, above 20. Every time you are above 20 moving average, you are bullish. Below, it's bearish. So why is this time different that we are above 20 moving average? Because this triangle over here is done. It's done, guys. It's done. So I should buy now, huh? Buy and go to the beach. Well, I'm not telling you anything, but I think it's gonna go up. Whether you buy or whether you sell it, whether you short or go long, you know, that's up to you, man. We come back in the triangle and break out at my chart. Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla accepting BTC. Yeah, he tweeted Tesla. $5 first donation, first live donation, $5. We are all crypto sooners. Buy something good and hodl. That's one way to do it, guys. Look at this green candle. It's so nice. Now, not only that, look at this daily candle, guys. Guys, look at the daily candle. This is the most beautiful thing. If this closes above these levels up here, this is the most beautiful thing you will ever see. Bullish. This is bullish engulfing candle. The candle's name is bullish engulfing candle. If you are not bullish, or when you see something like this breaking 10 and 20 moving average, these two candles over here, that's support holding. That's 10 and 20 moving average holding. This is the most bullish thing you will ever see right now. Retest, yeah, retest on the small time frames. We gotta have some kind of retest downside. You can see here right now we are hitting the resistance over here, so some kind of retest we will have definitely. We are a little bit extended and stuff like that. Like, we can still continue going up. But Hansa Bart, welcome to the TM Fans Club. We got a new member. All clap for the for Hansa. Hansa, welcome. Now you can spam the emojis. The more members we get in the TF Fans Club, the more spam, the more emojis I can add to the, because there is a limit to how many emojis you can have based on members. So the more members come in, the more emojis we can actually spam. Ron got his own emoji. I love the energy compared this morning. Yeah, well, this morning there was a problem because I woke up like 9:30 and I had the stream, so I was trying to wake up. My wife made me coffee, and when she makes me coffee, it's terrible coffee, guys. She does exactly the same thing I do, but it's terrible coffee. So I was just waking up, nothing was happening. We are still gonna go sideways. I wasn't sure quite what to talk about, but it was like, man, yeah, it's gonna go sideways. Like, it's a little bit down. Don't worry, guys. It's fine. We are gonna get up. You know, it took a little while to wake up, but now I'm totally waking up and everything. Intro. The bullish adopter. Martin H, welcome to TF Fans Club. I'm glad you joined. Martin is also a Patreon member and a technical analysis course student. So welcome, Martin, to the Fans Club. You're one of the first guys. Nice. You know, next live we will probably have another emoji to put in there. Very nice. Hi, crypto fans. Yeah, we are building the TF Fans Club, guys. We are building the TF Fans Club. Maybe at one point we'll even have special live sessions for TF fans. Just talking about TA. Suckers follow the trap every Sunday. You think this is a trap, man? You think this is a trap? Now, there are Sunday traps. I can agree with that. But, you know, the technicals will show that it's a trap. There is no technical that's showing that this is a trap. What a pump. Was shocked. Join the Patreon. It's worth it. Yeah. Thanks for the shilling. All the selling wall collapsed. I'm so pumped for the week ahead. Yeah, the next week's gonna be great. Guys, I gotta tell you something. About the sell walls, because I've seen that people are looking at order books and figuring out where the sell walls are, trying to figure out where resistance and support are. Here's a pro tip for you guys. Manipulating order books cost you $0, literally $0. You can put on many orders you want, how many $1 million you want. You can use robots to manipulate order books. Order books show zero value, you have zero technical values to show you anything. Never look at order books ever again. Close order books. Okay, order books are basically BS beyond belief. It costs $0 for some billionaire to manipulate order books. Zero. There is no reason, you know, why the order book shouldn't be. And when you go towards some kind of wall, you will see just before you hit the wall just goes up by $1,000. Like, there is no reason. It's pure manipulation on the order books. So never ever again look at the order books. That's a pro tip for you guys, because it costs $0 to manipulate order books. At least when you are manipulating price, you have to buy and sell and stuff like that. Order books, $0, guys. Should I buy now, or is it still going to dip? I'm thinking it might have some kind of a pullback, but it depends on how big. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, it does look like it's actually we pumped up, then we went all the way here, and right now we are extending on the 5-minute chart. So either sideways motion here or a little bit down, but buying on something like 50 moving average or something like that, or 100 moving average might be actually a decent thing. Also, this you can see here that we had some kind of problem getting above the blue line, so some kind of, you know, pullback, maybe hopefully pullback back to the blue line up here might actually be. So we're gonna see also some kind of other lines as well very soon. What happened to that cross? That cross is still in, guys. That cross is still in. Let's see the dead cross. That cross is between the 50 and the 200 moving average, and you see here. So what has to happen now, if we pump some crazy numbers over here, this can actually, guys, this can turn around, but we have to pump crazy numbers. Can we pump crazy numbers? I think if I bought a 32 and sell now and buy back in after pullback, So you are trying to scalp like 5%. What if it doesn't pull back? What if it goes up like another 10%? Right now it's up 9%. What if it goes like, will BTC hit 60,000? We don't know. I'm gonna tell you guys during this live stream. I will tell you exactly the price target that I think we're gonna hit. That's gonna be very important resistance, and at that point it's gonna be crucial moment for Bitcoin to break that resistance. Because if you don't break that resistance, bear market is officially announced. If we do break the resistance and go higher, bull market continues. It's gonna be such an eventful moment that you need to know about that. Hi, can you please do a video on basic of TA? Yes, I have basic of TA. It's called Technical Analysis Crash Course. It's on my Patreon. Go to the Patreon. You can learn everything about the TA, all the gems that I have, all my years of learning this. I'm compiling it into a TA course. You can jump there and check it out. No pullback stop. 46, 47,000, around that number. Yeah, 48. Yeah, you guys are getting close. You got it close. That cross, man. Lagging indicator. We all already got wrecked. Yeah, something like that, man. It's a very laggy indicator. So no pullback to 20-ish. Not right now. Not today, man. Not today. I mean, if it's gonna be pullback to 20k, it's gonna be after we hit some kind of resistance on top. What country are you from? Are you from the Euros? Yes, I'm from the Euros, Norway. TLI is bullish as AF right now. I'm gonna hodl till 0.90. I hope that's not Bitcoin we're talking about. Why are you so flipping cool, bro? I don't know. I'm just in good mood. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. What's that? Neg. If you guys have been into the, I'm not gonna, but it's a nice neg. It's not actually nice, it's actually pretty cool. Sell the relief rally or hodl, depends. Your intro is the best, thanks. What happened to 14k? Nothing happened to 14k. Guys. You know what the bottom for this bull run is? What everybody say? Where's the button, guys? Where is the button? Come on. What are people saying that the bottom is? 18,000 somewhere over here. That's the bottom, right? Somebody say 50,000 is the bottom, right? Where is the bottom? If this is a bear market, what kind of numbers is everybody saying that this is the bottom? Where is the bottom? 70k, yeah, 70k, somewhere around here, right? That's the bottom. I'm thinking like the bottom should be around 12 if we go down now. But we already dropped something like 52%. So right now, the next drop over here is just another 50% down. It's going too fast, guys. It's going too fast. I mean, it can happen that we go something like, forever over here. But, we will know once we start hitting the resistance at the top over here. Bro, what about BTC domination? It's flying. Bad for alts. Yeah, right now everything is bad for alts, man. BTC is actually going to the moon right now. Let's see how the BTC domination looks like. Where is it? Here's domination right now. This is weekly. Let's see at the weekly, guys. Look at the weekly domination. BTC dropped like a stone, guys. BTC dropped like a stone over here ever since December. Dropped like a stone because everything else started flying. And this was actually the bull market. The entire bull market, while Bitcoin was going up, the dominance was falling. Right now it's picking up again. But if Bitcoin starts like going really high, alts are gonna explode. And I'm thinking like this might actually also continue going down because alts are gonna outperform everything again. Can that cross be avoided? Yes, it can. That cross can be avoided indeed. 2017. You see here during 2017, entire bull market, 2017 bull market, the Bitcoin dominance was going down. It was having these relief rallies where it was outperforming alts, but mostly it was going down. So when Bitcoin is going up, when Bitcoin is rallying, alts are also rallying, and alts are outperforming Bitcoin. Good, yeah, Trump won. Come on. Guys, if it dumps tomorrow, relax, because this could happen again. I mean, everything's gonna go up and down, but mostly up, I think. Do not believe the news. They want your Bitcoin, all of them. You're my favorite YouTuber, bro. Thanks, man, appreciate it. What is the resistance level to break the confirmed continuation of the bull market? Yes, let's talk about continuation of the bull market. Let's talk about that. Let's go to the chart over here and you will see, first of all, remove everything. And I don't know, what's this? Yeah, okay, doesn't matter. So what we are seeing now, first thing first, we're gonna see the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and we'll see that we are extended on the weekly chart away from the 10 and 20 moving average. So this is 10 and 20 moving average, and we are extended on the downside from the 10 moving average. So we went all the way down here. We are some kind of stand, so we have to move towards backwards, right? Right now, this 10 moving average, really important moving average that I think we're gonna hit pretty soon, is 10 moving average, and that's is gonna be the benchmark for the resistance over here. Okay, that's the first moving average. Now today is Sunday, so next week it's not 47,000. Next week this will stay be around 45,000, something like that, right? Because this moving average will continue going a little bit down over here, somewhere around 45,000, and this 45,000 also corresponds really nicely with the support here on weekly support, very strong weekly support down here, and so we can move technically the price down at 45,135. This is the big kahuna. This is the 135. Let's make it nice 135. This is the big kahuna. This is the number I'm looking at, guys. This is it. If we can break 45,000, I mean there's other resistance on the way at the top, but this is the first. This is gonna be the first major test on the way up. Once we start going up, 45,135 is gonna be the major test to break, because then we will meet the support line on the weekly chart and the 10 moving average, the first moving average to break, because 20 moving average is going to be above the 10 moving average. So this is going to be the first moving average to break on the way to the upside, on the weekly chart. And weekly charts on a Bitcoin and a crypto are very, very important. Aren't Elon tweets usually pump and dumps? I think we fall right back into the channel by tomorrow. No, Elon tweet is technical analysis, man. He knows what he's doing. I can imagine that people cannot find the buy button anymore. Ethereum price prediction. I'm hearing 10K end of year. Is that a FUD? Not quite sure, man. I'm really bad at price predictions. I'm real bad. So the 45,135, really important. Let's just switch this to something else. Really important. So let's see how this looks on the daily chart and where the resistance is. So you can see on the daily chart we got some moving averages that are important, but out of this the 200 moving average is one of the most important. So even before we hit 45,000, that I think we actually gonna hit, we have the 50 and 200 moving average to break. Especially this 200 moving average is gonna be a very strong resistance as well on the way up, and that's sitting right now at 42,342. So this one at the same time, the 50 moving average might actually, once we break that, we might actually it's going to be around 45,000, but the first will be around 42,000. That's the 200 moving average on daily everybody's looking at. Weekend, when end the week charge changed? Weekend in 4 hours. We just had a 4-hourly close, so in 4 hours. Do you like Elon Musk? Yeah, he's fine, man. He pumps when he wants pump, he dumps when he wants dump. No problem, man. I like anybody who doing technical analysis. And I know for the fact that Elon Musk is very good on tech analysis, because there is no way you can post FUD and post good news at these exact moments. No way. Do the moon phases, TLA. Yeah, we'll do the moon phases after a while. We'll do the moon phases. I like your beer. Thanks, mate. Which token do you think will 2x the quickest? XRP, ETH, Cardano, or BTC later? Please answer. I'm homeless. If you are homeless, you should probably looking for something long term. And if you are homeless, you don't, the money. Probably something like, I don't know, some meme coins or something like that. Maybe Elon watched the late adopter. Yeah, that might be it. So guys, 45,000, extremely important level on the way up. Extreme. So just because we are going up here, I'm not saying that we are gonna go above 60,000. That's the first thing you know. We are not going above 60,000 just yet. There is a huge resistance right above us. Huge resistance. I don't think you guys understand how much resistance this level is. 45,000. That's a huge resistance. The 200 moving average is a big resistance. The 200 moving average on the daily chart is a big resistance. But so we got two big resistances looking to break right now on the way up, and there will be more resistances, but I will show you exact moment when all of the resistances, all of the negativity is broken and we can actually continue going up. I will show you exact moment when that's gonna happen. Now there is something, let's see if this looks better on the weekly chart. yeah, this is also higher, but there is on the daily chart, there is head and shoulders on daily chart that a lot of people have been talking about. It goes something like this over here, I think, give or take, because you can see here from there is a head and shoulders over here, and the head and shoulders go something like this, and this is the head, and this is the shoulder. I can use this tool over here to show you the head and shoulders. People, you know, it's old news, but we're gonna reiterate it just for the fun, because you know we do that over here. And this is the head. It's a complex head, guys. It's a complex head, and this is the right shoulder, right? So this is a head and shoulder pattern that's played out, and you can see here exactly from the head down to the line. If you moved on the breakout, you can see here we are getting to where this bottomed out. So this head and shoulders actually played out. Now the head, if the head and shoulder is real, then that means this neckline is really real. And that's also going to act as a very strong resistance on the way up. So we got the neckline also as a resistance on the way up, and that's going to be something around 52,000. But it's a long way to get there. I think the very first test is going to be around 45,000 or 45,000. This if we can break 42,000, 45,000 is going to be the ultimate test for Bitcoin to break. Ultimate test. Long live Bitcoin. All the bad news we will not bring it down. There is no way. You saw, guys, you saw firsthand how many negative news was over here, how much negativity. And right now that we are pumping, nothing of the FUD matters, nothing. Suddenly everybody's bullish, suddenly all the good news comes, suddenly everybody forgets the FUD, suddenly, you know, Bitcoin is not changed, suddenly sunshine and rainbows, suddenly. Why do you think the bottom is at 14k? I put some lines, and we should be bottom out at 70k at the moment. We are following the line since 2015. It's just the 200 moving average on some chart, I think. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I think it's a weekly. Yeah, down here, weekly. Let's see over here. Yeah, I see the weekly is right now. Yeah, the weekly is on right now 13, but yeah, give or take something like that. You can see here previously we bottomed out at 200 moving average, so 200 weekly moving average. If we bottom out like you know, it's something. It's important. It's important support. So you know, why not 12? Why not 13? Until next week, when everyone will be like bear season. No, don't think so. I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. I mostly lost in BTT. The BT lost me 70%. Yeah, people lose money in this, man. There is no sure thing. This is a volatile, like you know what. There's a bigger head and shoulders that people are talking about. Left shoulder January, right shoulder June. January in June. What you talking about, man? What you talking about? January over here, left shoulder, June, May. So you're thinking something like this over here. Wait. Yeah, but this move over here is gonna bring us down to zero or something like that, right? Yeah, we are going to zero if this happens. $69. $500 million candle from whale bulls. What's your price prediction for Ethereum? Not sure, man. Not sure on Ethereum. Long-term Ethereum. Haven't checked it out. Just following Ethereum, like how it's going. So let's continue here a little bit and explain to you what I think will be the ultimate. Once we break all the resistance on the way up. Let's see over here. Let's use the. There is literally no good music on this thing. Yeah, this sounds fine. So yeah, this is also one of these very important resistances. The other one is, of course, the neckline, right? Then there are some kind of horizontal lines up here. Let me see over here which one is actually most important up here. That's the horizontal line. So technically above this line over here, but when we actually get there, that's gonna be the end of it. Like once we get above this level, of course, 59,998, like 60,000 is gonna be fine. But if we go sideways, something like this over here, and get to like 7,000 over here, technically we are below the resistance. So technically speaking, the area we want to get above is up here. Okay, this is the area. If you want to know when all the resistances that can be are broken, that's the area. You can see here, you cannot, if you go up here, you're still having some kind of resistance. But in this area up here, all the resistances are broken. All the resistances are broken. What's your price? Like baby ducks to mama duck. Nah, it's not fake pump. So many good news. Yeah. Let's see after Bitcoin mining council finish. What's Bitcoin mining? Yeah, they'll probably come and say, yeah, now we went to 50% renewable or something like that. I don't know if it's fake pump. Let's see. Let's go to the 4-hourly because we just had a 4-hourly close, guys. We just had a 4-hourly close. That's this candle over here. That's a 4-hourly close. It's so bullish, guys. It's insanely bullish. So let's remove everything and let's remove the pop the moving averages up here. And you can see here this 4-hourly, this first 4-hourly candle, this over here. This first 4-hourly candle, it broke all of the moving averages, or actually broke the 120 moving average and pumped hard above this level up here. You can see here pumping hard. It still didn't get, but this level candle over here, it's pumping out. So all of this right now is getting wrecked right now. So the next level, next big level is up here, and you can see over here, you can see it very clearly. This level up here, this very level up here, this level up here. Look at it on the dollar. On the dollar, look at it. This is 39,291 and this is 39,288. Like, okay, couple of dollars left, but that's so nice. That's so nice. Don't you believe in tech analysis when you see these kind of things, guys? Don't you believe in tech analysis when you see these kind of things? That 4-hour candle broke the triangle. No, yeah, we're gonna see the triangle, guys. We're gonna look at the triangle right now. And you know, people have been having trouble, you know, drawing the triangle on this pattern. You know, there have been a lot of talk about how this is actually supposed to look like and stuff like that. But it is something. Technically, it is something like this over here, I think. Something like this, and you can see that it's only the second candle right now. The second candle is breaking the triangle. Maybe the first one technically did break, get above it, but you know, it is so close. It is so close, and depending on how you draw it, but it is very close. It is very close. Maybe if we pull this a little bit down over here, somewhere like this. Yeah, it is perfect. It is perfect. So right now you can see here the first candle, the first 4-hourly candle came just below the line, but the next candle, you know, please talk about FEG. Please talk about FEG. Okay, guys. Yeah, nice. Thank you, Michael Altcoin. Michael Altcoin is our, you know, our moderator here on the channel. Well done, man. Well done. Well done. It's going to retest. It's going to retest this line. So when we on the way back, we can retest this line over here, or we can retest the blue line. So one of these two lines is going to get retest. Let's see how the moving averages are looking at. And you can see here that on the way down, we are not actually going to retest, drops right back down to the moving averages. It's more likely if you are going to have a retest, to go down to the yellow line or to the blue line. One of these two lines is going to be the retest. And it's going to happen, I think it's going to happen on the smaller time frames. I think it's gonna happen a small time. It's not actually in the books right now, but it might go. It doesn't have to have a retest, you know. It can just continue going up. So you know, once people start forming, it's really hard to get the move to the downside. Everybody wants to buy on these retests, right? Everybody wants to buy on the retest, but getting down here is gonna be hard because everybody gonna start pre-buying. So you know, the 20 moving average might be you know, the closest we get to a retest. Don't forget the CME gap. I don't care about CME gap. I told people before, man. I hate CME gap. CME gap messed me up so hard, man. CME gap messed me up. Down here, down here, CME. I'm gonna explain this. Where is the CME gap? Wait. Let me just open the not this one, not this one, this one. Daily chart. Yeah, you see, I was. Here's the CME gaps. Here's the CME gap. This messed me up so much, guys. This messed me up so much. You see here the gap. This on the daily gap, right? And everybody was saying this has to close. So when you're down here, I was still thinking, yeah, it has to close because, you know, entire bear market, these things were closing, right? The gaps were closing in the bear market, right? Look what happened over here. We never got in. We just got in halfway in, not even that with the wick, never got closing the gap, and the price just started going up. So I was ignoring all the technicals, and I was still saying, no, we got to go back and close the gap. What happened, guys? What happened? What happened? What happened, guys? What happened? This happened. This happened. This happened. Because I was waiting to close the gap. Do not trust gaps, guys. Do not trust gaps. Okay? Gaps are meme. That's a flag, right? I don't know where. Somewhere is a flag. Yeah, you might think it's like some kind of a bear flag over here, right? Continuation. Maybe. Let's go back. Then what the jungle look like? Calm down. What is the volume like? Yeah, volume looks fine. Volume looks fine. It's a here actually. It was here the volume peaked in. This is when I actually got super bullish over here, because this dump over here was kind of the last kind of dump. And once we started getting up here, like I was like, it's done, it's done. And you can see here on the volume also picked up before over the previous levels. This is the actually start of the motion to the upside. So once this happened, I was like, there is no problem, guys. Not only that, this move got us above the 10 and 20 moving average up here. So, you know, suddenly bullish. And even though we are starting going back, and I said, because there was hidden bearish divergence over here, right? There was hidden bearish, so the price was going down over here, right? And the RSI was going up, and we said that you know, some kind of pull to the downside has to happen. This is the pull to the downside, but I said there is no way this is going below these levels, and it pumped over here. So after this, we had this pump over here, then sideways motion, and this last pull down here below the moving average is right now bouncing back. There is no way this is gonna go down. Not a financial. Otherwise, you know, Elon Musk can tweet something, we can fall down, but there is no way this can go down. It's so bullish. It's insanely bullish. It's like I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. It's if this candle, if this green candle stands right like it is now, after the next 3 hours or something like that, it's gonna explode. It's literally gonna explode. 9.45%. It cannot even go down for a retest, guys. We cannot even go down for a retest. Maybe we're gonna just bounce off the 10 moving average right now on Bitcoin right now. That's how bullish this is. George DeVille B, $5. What's the next resistance level and support for VeChain, please? Dude, why do you want to talk about VeChain, man? Why did you talk about VeChain? Next support and resistance levels on VeChain. 120. I have a VeChain video on YouTube right now. I was talking about the falling wedge. I was talking about the breakout. The breakout came right now. We are getting resisted by the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart. But right now the 120 we should be going over above 120. 10 and 20 over here, like, you know. Let's see how 4 hourly is doing. 4 hourly broke the 10 and 20 moving average up here. Looks nicely getting rejected, but above the 10 moving average, like, you broke this resistance line. It looks nice. 120, man. 112. Go check out the VeChain video. There's a VeChain video like from the earlier today. Bears getting wrecked. Everybody's every shorter is getting wrecked. And you guys, you remember what I said about shorters when everybody was saying, "Oh, guys, everybody's shorting. It's the biggest short ever." And what did I tell you? What did I tell you? It's bullish. It's very bullish thing when you have a lot of shorters, because you know, it's not institutional investors. When you have a lot shorters, it means that all of these, you know, normies, mainstream guys on Twitter are shorting because of whatever reason. It means that the price is bullish. The price will go up. Not only that, guys. I'm gonna show you something. There is a guy called on YouTube called Tech Lead. And he had a video today.
Hey, welcome back.
He had a video today called Crypto Next Big Move. This is bad. Black Swan crashed this week. And I wrote in his chat. Where is it? Let me show more. No, I meant to show more. Yeah, I wrote in his chat. I know where it is. I know where it is right now, but I wrote in his chat, this is the most bullish thing ever. He was just explaining all the FUD around the Bitcoin, and I wrote, this is the most bullish thing ever. right now, because I know how the technicals are looking. I know we are going up, and when he comes with this kind of video and everybody's like, oh, I'm good, I'm sold, I'm never going back to Bitcoin, Bitcoin goes up. Best bullish thing ever. Ron, $50. Everybody spam the Ron emoji. Every time Ron donates, you spam the chat with the Ron emoji. Bullish divergence on 1-day BTC chart. Yeah, maybe. Let's see the bullish divergence. How is bullish divergence looking at? No. There is no bullish divergence over here. One daily chart. Oh, this is 4 hour. Let's see daily. No, this played out right now, going up. No, there is no divergence. There we go. There we go. Ron the man. Ron the man. spam the Ron. Spam the Ron the whale. Tech League is a big, yeah. He knows how to FUD stuff, man. And you know the thing about the tech lead. He is also technical analysis, guys. He's also technical analyst. Where is it? Maybe he doesn't show any technical analysis in this video, but he also does technical analysis. So my problem: Bitcoin millionaire sold Tesla. What if Bitcoin crash coming? I don't know where he is showing tech analysis from Webull or something like that, and he was like 10 years ago. He was also he's still cranky about that. Like he was losing money on commodities in stock market like 10 years ago, like day trading. He lost like 300,000 day trading and stuff like that. But you know, his tech analysis is like nothing like mine, not like mine. So I don't want to bash other people by doing tech analysis, you know. But he didn't make it work. But I think the fact that he was saying that. You know, right today when I was looking at the charts and I seen the big move coming, he was saying crypto next big move, this is bad, black swan crash this week because of all the FUD. FUD doesn't matter, guys. You have to look beyond the FUD. You have to look into the future. You have to know when to buy and when to sell. You have to know what you're buying. When you see FUD and if you are affected by the FUD, it means you do not know what to buy. When you buy a shitcoin and you do not know what to buy and somebody FUDs that, you are gonna sell because FUD is gonna get you. But when you buy something and you know what you bought, you buy Bitcoin, you bought Tesla, there is no amount of FUD that can remove you because you know what you bought, right? So FUD only works on weekends that don't know what they're buying. So always know what you're buying, because if you know what you're buying, the FUD will not get to you. All these YouTubers bringing FUD about Bitcoin, wanted Bitcoin to drop on purpose to force people to sell and buy it cheaper. They failed. I think they actually managed to do pretty well, man. The Bitcoin dropped down 50%. It's a sale, you know. Bear income. There is no bear, man. Come on. Very big candle. Oh my god. We have new members. Dr. Olug Chamal. Welcome to the TFNs Club. We are growing the community. Welcome. Enjoy. Now you can spam the emojis. I woke up full of fear yesterday and then thought, yeah, this must be the bottom then. Yeah, it must be the bottom. My hair is too nice for this. Happy to be your member, single YouTuber together with Coinskin and Trader Reality to give real advice. I was prepared to sell after the banger bags to buy at 24k. That's how it goes, man. Good that I hear why you are bullish and your era side that Coinskid look to. Nice. I like you know, credit where credit is due. Coinskid was always saying we're gonna pull back and then we're going to 200,000. So I think if anybody got it right, it's CoinKid, guys. It's CoinKid. So I just wanna see if his 200k price target is gonna be right or mine at 500,000 or something like that. Honza, pump. Fake out, there is no fake out, man. This is the real thing. This is so real, guys. it started over here. This is where it started. This is where we are and we are just correcting this RSI hidden bearish divergence to the downside. You see these two candles, guys. You see these two. Let me zoom it in. I don't think you can see it on the mobile. Let me zoom it in so you can understand this. Do you see these two lines? Do you see these two lines? That's the 20 moving average, and this is the 10 moving average. See how this red candle goes below the 10 and 20 moving average and closes down here, and the next candle just breaks everything with a bullish engulfing candle. This is saying that this support is holding very well. This is rejection of the failure. This is going up. This is bullish. This is the sign. If there is any sign, this is the sign. It's hard to explain, but I'm so excited. You know what I'm excited about? Because if the bull run continues, I can pump numbers, guys, sub numbers. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, subscribe right now, because we are going to the moon. You're gonna watch me a lot more later. So check if you are subscribed, because a lot of people are going like, hey, I watch this guy all the time. You know, I'm probably subscribed, and you're gonna figure out you're not subscribed. You're just watching suggested videos. Subscribe, guys, right now. You're so excited tonight. Enjoy it. You deserve it. Ah, thanks, man. Humacan, $5. Is that cross happening? Can it be avoided? When is it expected? I didn't buy anything this week, expecting that cross will dip too low. Will it be avoided? It can be avoided, guys. The dead cross can actually be avoided. If you look at the dead cross over here, it can be avoided. It's gonna take some. You can already see now that the 50 moving average is already slowly curling up. But will it actually be avoided or not? It kind of depends. We may even dip a little bit below it. You know, that doesn't matter. But if we pump really hard over here to some 45,000 stuff like that, continue going really hard up over here. If we pump, we really pump over here, the death cross will be avoided. Ron, $50. Let's keep up the energy. Nice. Everybody spam the Ron. TL Ron. Where's Ron? Where's Ron? Death cross can be avoided. It can't. Never say never, man. Never say never. Depends on how much we pump. Depends on how much we pump. You're gonna tell me if we pump today from this level up here up to 100,000. If you just go like this over today, that death cross won't be avoided. Ron the man. That cross coming, watch out. Do you know what that cross means? That cross means pump. That cross means pump, because when people see the death cross incoming, right, this is when that cross actually matters. This is when that cross matters. People assume that cross is gonna happen. People react to the death cross. That's when the death cross over here. That cross doesn't matter, because we already know it, you know, whether it's gonna happen or not. So you know, everybody think, oh, that cross is happening. Once it happens, we're gonna drop down. No, we can just continue going up. That's the fake out. We do what everybody's not doing. Everything is a lagging indicator, man, but that doesn't matter. We love TLA, yeah. That cross already was, or the effect, now pump. Yeah, the death cross effect was already done. Like, everybody knows about it. There is nobody that doesn't know about it. It's priced in. What's it gonna do? You know, what's it gonna do? This is Jay. Left comment. The massive divergence. Look on 1-day chart and zoom out slightly. We have made 4 lower highs and RSI is high. GGO, welcome to the TM Fans Club. Nice. Welcome, guys. You know what we have? The next emoji I make is gonna be welcome to the TA Club, guys. So TA, next is gonna be like welcome to TA Fans Club emoji or something like that. GGO. Okay, let's see this divergence, because I'm really interested. Anytime somebody mentions something about TA, I get excited, guys. I get really excited about TA. I love this. Okay, so he's saying this is Jay left on comment. The massive divergence. Look on 1-day chart. Okay, this is 1-day chart, and zoom out slightly. It's zoomed out. We have made 4 lower highs and RSI is higher. 4 lower highs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. So you're saying that 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that what you're saying? Tell me, Immortal. Tell me that's what you're saying, right? Why TLA only? When TLA OnlyFans? I was considering TLA OnlyFans, and then I figured out I'm just gonna make TA fans. You know, I think I can get a lot more people on TA fans than OnlyFans. But if Mikuji Crypto and Coinskid are with me, you know, we're gonna set up OnlyFans as well. What about Cardano? We see. When yacht soon. I think that cross was like Doge with the Elon SLR. Everyone bought before that and then sold. This is just the opposite. Something like it. Might be something like that. Immortal. I got you, mate. J Leftcom. It wasn't my comment, it was J Leftcom. Where is J? Where's J? J, is this the comment? Like, let me find J. Where is J? J. Is there a search option on this? No. J, I don't see any J. J, can you post your comment again? J DeFarco, I can say excitement sparkle in your eyes. I think going to 30k before we go back up. Why? Billy Bob, why would you think that? Don't assume anything. Look at the technicals. Act. Felix Mezi, welcome to TF Fans Club. Another member. I didn't mean to do that. TF Fans. Tell us which one, because here's the thing, if you're just looking at these two tops over here, right? If you're just looking at these two tops over here, this isn't confirmed. I know that the price, if you zoom really in, the price is technically going down. The price is going down. This is daily chart. You can see the price is going down, and then you have the RSI going up. But this is not done. The candle is not even closed. You know, and the next candle can just be green as well. It doesn't matter. You have to have at least one red candle, and the next candle cannot go above the upper part to confirm the divergence. But there is no divergence here. The price is just going up and down. There is no divergence. I have asked about that yesterday. Both bottom and top diverge. Well, I have. If you go to Patreon page, on Patreon page, and on the seal, no, I don't need seal, the latest video. Well, if it's gonna come up, where's the late? Here's the late video. Case study: RSI divergences, corrective movement pattern. I explain in this video why this is actually playing out exactly as this is playing out, and exactly as 5-minute chart over here is playing out, and how these divergences are actually affecting the price, and why we are actually going up, why divergences are actually corrected now. So I'm just gonna, instead of explaining everything and how divergences are actually working, I'm just gonna go to the daily chart and explain this part over here. And so follow with me, guys. I don't want to hear anything more about divergences. Okay, now listen to me, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do divergences right now. Divergences are done without the wicks. Okay, without the wicks there are no divergences, right? Okay, now we don't have the wicks. So look at this over here, and we got this part going down, right? And then we had the first divergence. Let me just do it like this because it's easier. We had first move to downside. This is the first divergence going up, right? This is the second divergence. I know you cannot see it, but if we zoom in and use these two, you can see that the line is going down. So this is higher than this one. So this is lower. So technically the price is still going down. The price is still going down. This is going down, and this is second divergence. This over here is third divergence. That's the third divergence, and now the divergence is corrected. There is no more divergence over here. There is no more divergence. Divergences are corrected, and right now the price can actually continue going in whichever direction it wants to go. Not only that, at the end of these divergences, we are right now breaking on the daily chart the trend line where the divergences have been happening. Exactly the same that's been happening here. Divergence, and this is the corrective divergence up here, and there is a trend line up here, and we broke that to the downside. Exactly the same thing happening up here, and now we break the upside. But there is no more divergences, guys. No more divergences. Everything is playing exactly on the dollar as expected. Double bottom on 1-day Bitcoin. Double button on, not on 1 day. There is no double button on 1 day, man. What you talking about? Bull trap. There is no bull trap. Come on, man. Don't be a bear. Dip is over. I don't know. Is the dip over? No, there is no dip. We closed 1 hourly. Did we close 1 hourly? Yeah, we closed 1 hourly just now. We closed 1 hourly just now, so you can see actually what's happening on 1 hourly chart. Let's pop the moving averages. You can see here that 10 moving averages. We are extended. Yeah, extend from the, at least I want to see hit on the 10 moving average. At least 10 moving average hit on 10 moving. Let's see the 4 hour, how the 4 hour is looking right now. No, 4 hour look is still fine. 5 minutes still hugging the 10 moving average. You know, you know, it looks like you're just gonna do something like this again, like, you know. They promised I could buy some Bitcoin at 25. Where's the discount? I know. How often have you been telling, like, when people are looking at something, when you know that everybody is looking at some level, like 28k, 25k, everybody wants that discount. Why would we go down to discount when you know that everybody's gonna buy there? You have to buy before everybody else. I think this is a fake out. Early part of 4 hour candle and it already pumped that hard. It's hard to close at 39k. Don't know what to tell you, man. I think dip is over after the 0.90 euro. What's 0.90 euro? What's that, man? What's that? 0.90 euro. Oh, you mean on Bitcoin 0? I don't think so, man. Are we getting rejection on 4 hour 20? We are not getting rejection. We are getting resistance, and resistance are there to be broken. So you can see here that right now 200 moving average is giving us resistance, but it's not giving us rejection. Rejection is when you try to go above and you fail, and you try and you fail, and then you go down. That's rejection. This is just, you know, trying to get above it. What we are doing right now, we are waiting for the moving averages to push the price higher above them, above the resistance. Because here, where the 200 moving averages is also this very important resistance that we have to break. 39,249. This is one of the most important moving average, one of the most important moving lines to break to get up. And you see also that 200 moving average is exactly on the same spot. So it's gonna take a little while to break that resistance, but that resistance will be broken as well. This works against Crypto, Wyckoff accumulation, spring completed, LFG. I'm not quite sure, man, because Crypto is saying like exactly as I told you, Wyckoff accumulation exactly playing out. So maybe he's right, But the late adopter, the legend, yes. So the good news, guys, good news, more bull market, maybe if we can break the 45,000, more bull market, and that means even more good news. That means I'm gonna stick around and I'm gonna lead you with the technical analysis all the way through the bull market until like 500,000 or something like that. This is all I need to know. Does the adopter feel positive right now? Dude, what do you think? Do I feel positive? Do I look positive or negative right now? Pump it up, pump. The TA Fans Club. We got 5 new members today, nice. Probably gonna get like 2 more emojis for that. Let's like the video too, great stream. The 4 hour chart showed a nice inverse head and shoulders and I took that trade and it's still in profit. Now my first ever self-predicted trade. Well done, man, well done. You know, if you trade on technicals and you keep emotions out of the trade, you're gonna do fine. Don't overtrade. And don't lever trade, like, because a lever trade you don't have a lot of pullback, you know, time to get out, and you know, and price will fluctuate a lot. So you know, trade on spot, do the technicals, you're gonna do fine, man. You're gonna do fine. How long you trade and where you learn this? Well, I traded since 2017, a little bit before that, yeah, around 2017, 3-4 years now. Where did I learn that? YouTube, Google, everything. Like I was watching a lot of people, and there is a lot of bad advice out there. So you know, for new people that come into tech analysis, it's really hard to figure out what's real, what's not, what's bad technical analysis, what's good technical analysis. So that's why I have on Patreon the technical analysis crash courses. If you wanna know the juicy parts, go there. Dumping, thank you. How it's dumping, like 5-minute chart. Nah, this 10-minute, 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's nice because this, you know, we have the pullback. You know, we are waiting for the pullback. Are you from Russia or Romania? Neither. 2030 bull market is being repeated. Yeah, that's correct, man. That is correct, guys. Did you see the video? Did you see the? I don't know if it was if it was live stream or whatever it was. Let's go to over here. We were explaining how these 2 bull markets are exactly the same. Maybe they are exactly the same. So we're gonna do quick a quick history lesson right over here on the live on how this is exactly like the previous bull market, and we're gonna do that on the monthly chart. Who here trades on the monthly chart, guys? You gotta start looking at monthly chart. Look at this bearish pattern over here. This is a bearish pattern, you know, pulled us down, but right now it might actually continue going up. So this is a bearish pattern on the daily, but you know, I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna go back in time. This is the 2013-2014 market. 2030-2040 market, and this part over here, no, we gotta go to the monthly chart. Let's go to monthly chart. Let's move it. Let's change the music as well, because you know some of these songs are not actually my cup of tea. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You know, 2013. This is 2013. Can you see this on the because of my picture? Yeah, almost. I'm gonna put a little bit up here. Yeah, it's nice. You can see it. Okay, so this is the 12, 13, 14, you know, 2014 bull market, right? Look at this part over here. Look at this part, exactly as this part over here, guys. Look at it, exactly the same, exactly. We pumped up, you know, pumped up. See this? Exactly the same. Now we're gonna see it even clearer, guys. Now we're gonna see it. This is so nice. This is so nice. Look at this. It's exactly by the book. By the book. Look at this. It's pitch perfect, guys. Can you screenshot this and post it on Twitter? Post it on Crypto and the Moon and stuff like that, and tell them, hey, you know, they can steal this from me, no problem. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. See, beside the big wick, because this 2013, people don't know what they're doing, so they're pumping the price. Big green candle, big green candle. The doji candle, the doji, or a hammer, doji hammer, right? Over here, look at the doji here in the middle, doji. Big red candle, big red candle. And look at this here, hammer. It's exact copy, monthly copy from 2004. Exact copy, like exact copy. And not only am I gonna show you exact copy right now, guys, you are getting so many perks right now. This is only stuff that I show in my Patreons. You're getting so many perks right now. I'm gonna show you something. Really nice. I'm gonna show you where the bottom. I'm not gonna show you where the top is. I'm gonna show you where the bottom is gonna be for this bull market, and it's not 15,000, it's not 12,000 or 17, 18,000. I'm gonna show you exactly where the bottom is gonna be for this bull market, guys. If, of course, there's always an if, right? But if this bull market is exact copy of the previous 2014 bull market, that right now it looks like it might actually be. If this part over here is actually playing out right now, see here, right now we're gonna have a big pump to the upside. How much was this pump actually over here? 171%. Like, I don't think we can do 171%, you know, but you can always hope. 171%, something like over here. That's like 500,000. If you get the same pump, 500,000. Do you like that, guys? Do you like 500,000 price target? That's nice, 500,000. Okay, now what I'm gonna show you where the bottom is. I don't know how high we're gonna go. But I'm gonna show you where the bottom is gonna be. 1,711, that's 172 times the money. Well, not 70, no, sorry, 18 times the money, that's 20 times. Okay, look at this, guys. Look, I'm gonna show you. Doesn't matter which wick you use. If you use the top wick from the previous, can you see this? And you use the bottoms, right? You can see here that we are hitting the bottom, where the bottom is. So we explode over here and went down to the bottom. So this is actually showing us where the bottom is gonna be. It doesn't really matter which wick you use and how you, maybe if you get it. But in the ballpark area, it's gonna be in the ballpark area. You can see this is a ballpark area where the bottom is. And the same thing is gonna happen here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. There you go. Let's clear. No, let's keep it like this over here. It doesn't matter which wick you use. It's something like this. This is the bottom, guys. This is the bottom. And if you zoom in a little bit over here, let's clear it up so we can see it nicely. Let's use the top. No, let's use the red wick, because I think red is actually right, you know, perk as well. You can see right now that wherever the bottom is after right now, it's gonna be once we are past February next year or something like that. So this monthly chart. Yeah, it's gonna go, you know, bottom is gonna be somewhere around up here, like 30-40,000. That's the bottom. Right now we are sitting at the bottom, and it's gonna be right up here at 40,000, 1 year ahead. So if you go up here to the end of the 2020, where is the end of the 2021? That's over here, that's December. So if you go up to December up here, right, it's a couple of months up there, and then we have 1 year of downtime. Where's that? This is 22, that's December 22, somewhere around here one time. So target, so bottom is around 40,000. Technically, we are below the bottom of this bull market. Technically, we are. You are early. You are early, guys. You are very, very early. Very early. See over here. And move to the downside, right? It hits this very nicely. Hit this very nicely. So, you know, if there is anything to this, you know, 40,000 is the bottom, guys. 40. So if anybody asks you, hey man, what's the bottom, you know, right now, and you tell them it's 40,000. And if they ask you, you know, the late adopter, you can show them this. 40,000 is the bottom, guys. 40,000 is the bottom. So next in 2 years, next year, in 2 years, whenever that comes, and when JP Morgan starts saying that the bottom is at 20,000 or 30,000, you say no, it's at 40,000. And the late adopter told me like 2 years ago. Do you know what the JP Morgan, because I know a lot of people are looking at these, you know, Chase and JP Morgan and all these big banks and institutions for the price targets. Over here, JP Morgan was calling 1,700. Did you know that, guys? When we were up here in the bear market, JP Morgan was calling for 1,700. That's what was JP Morgan correct? I don't think so. I don't think so. JP Morgan isn't correct. Bottom is 0. Ah man, come on. We don't do that on this channel. Don't you think it's too early to get excited? No, I take any opportunity to get excited because I've been down so much. The energy level is 179, loving it. we gotta do, every time he does that, we gotta do this, man. Oh, that didn't work out. Oh, you have to do it like this. Then can you look at Cardano? Sure, we look at some altcoins, see what they're Ron Duell. Yeah, Ron. Why watching JP Morgan when we have late adopter? Yeah, why watch JP Morgan? JP Morgan was calling 1,000. We didn't even come close to 1,700. They were just trying to, you know, buy. And do you know where we did come down to? 200 moving average. Look at this, it's perfect. The bottom was a 200 moving average. Look at this. If you know anything about tank analysis, you will see seen the 200 moving average, and you know. By the way, guys, I started this channel right over here. By the way, it was in 2018. I started this channel right over here. You know, during the bloodbath of 2018, I started the channel. Loving the wire, baby. Right cost crypto 500 million right now. JP Morgan not going to tell the truth. Now, of course not. They got this stuff. Ron is becoming more famous than the late adopter. Yeah, Ron is the guy. Ron is the guy. We love Ron. Thanks for the money, by the way. Thanks for the money. I love that. Just got in the stream. What are your feelings about the possible Bitcoin debt cross and what could happen? It's priced in. We already talked about it. Priced in, and nothing's gonna happen. We are gonna go up probably. This monthly chart looks wow. Yeah. Now there are some danger signals. I'm not gonna kill the vibe with that, you know, but that's not right now. Like we have already discussed that. What's gonna happen right now. We already know what's gonna happen. We already know where the target is. We already know where the resistance is, right? It's up here. That's 45,139. That's also the 10 moving average, right? 10 moving average, and on Monday it's gonna be around this area up here, right? This is the big resistance that we are gonna, once we start going up, because over here you can see that we are breaking. This week we are breaking very important level. We are breaking very important level up here. You see this? This is a very important level. Very important. And right now, this week we are breaking that. If we can break that, the next level is all the way up at 45,000 on the weekly chart. And Bitcoin is working on the weekly chart. People don't understand that. People think that you know, institutional investors are trading on the daily or 4 hourly, whatever. No, they're trading on the weekly. They come once to the office on a Monday, they sit down around the table, they pull up the chart and say, what has happened so far? And they see that, okay, we're gonna come next week, and the next Monday they do the same thing again and again and again. They just buying on one day of the week, or they're looking on the weekly chart. They don't care what's happening on the daily. And if you look at on the weekly chart on Bitcoin, you're gonna get so many nice juicy stuff. Technical analysis on the weekly Bitcoin is very, very nice. What I see is a dead cat bounce. It can happen. Isaiah Labadia. That's what they are saying. It's gonna be very important moment once we get to the 45,000 up here, if we're gonna hold it or not. And I'm saying it right now. If we get rejected towards the downside, it might be bear market. I'm saying it right now. It might be, I don't want to say bear. It might be the B word market. B word. It might be the B word market if we get rejected. But if we don't get rejected, if we break the resistance, if we go higher, it's bull market, baby. How about volume? Volume is good, man. Volume is nice. Not on weekly, on the daily. You can see here the volume is picked up. So how do you read the volume? You can see the volume not over here. This isn't the big kahuna. This isn't the big thing. Here is the big thing that's happened. This candle over here. That's when I became super bullish. That's when I said like, this is it, guys. That's when I stop having any kind of worries. This over here, and you can see here on the volume that we actually pumped the volume above previous highs. So we are breaking the downtrend on the volume as well. You can see downtrend on the volume. Volume picked up right over here. That's the actually confirmation, and all of this over here was just sideways more getting ready to pump. And the 4 hourly, you can see right over here, the volume is getting back, and it's right now getting pumped up again. Ross Wheeler. Oh, you gave me a cup of, I don't know if that's coffee or juice or what. Thanks, man, for the money. Appreciate the money. Love the money. I think everybody here loves the money, but I appreciate it. Comparable to the previous bull run. No, not at all. This is nothing like the previous bull market, man. Everybody, in the start of this bull market down here, in the start of this bull market up here, everybody thought that this is gonna go just like this and go right down, right? So when we only came to the 60,000, everybody was like, hey man, what's up? What's happening? What's happening up here? Why am I not going higher? So the fact that we have gone down here and right now everything looks bullish, if we can manage to break some kind of tops over here, it's gonna look very nice. I think I changed the song, man. Something's not right. Do you think the price will go back to 37.5 for a moment? You wanna buy in, man? Huh? Chippy, you wanna buy in? Huh? You wanna get some of that Bitcoin, huh? Some of that low-priced Bitcoin, huh? You wanna get in? Huh? You wanna buy some satoshis, huh? You wanna I get something for you, man. Maybe. We're gonna see. I'm gonna see what's 37.5. What's 37.5? 37.5 is right over here, man. Yeah, 37.5. You want that, man? You want 37.5, huh? This nice stuff up here. You wanna a little nice juicy move to the downside, huh? You wanna get the line. You wanna get in here. Oh, listen to the music, man. This is nice. Do you like that, huh? You like the line? You wanna get it down. You wanna get the juicy dip, huh? Juicy dip after a very nice pump. Oh yeah, man. Oh, this line down here. You wanna get that? Oh yeah, satoshis. I get excited. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see on 1 hour. Well, right now it's pulling back, so you might wanna try to get this dip, So you guys wanna talk about what's gonna invalidate this? I just lost like 100 viewers right now. You never get this live, bro. Now we know what your day job is. Yeah, guys, you want to know what is going to invalidate this, because that's important to know as well. What's going to invalidate this move? Just because we're not breaking the resistance up here doesn't mean this move is invalidated. So if you want to invalidate the move on the 4 hourly, I wouldn't say that the invalidation would be right now getting below the moving average, because moving average, I mean, sure. I would say that on the daily chart, I don't want to get back below the 10 moving average again. I don't want to get below 10 moving average. So it's 36,129 right now, today. That's the lowest part. If we go below that that price again, that's gonna invalidate a lot of stuff. You can also talk about some kind of, because all kinds of metrics are gonna get broken. You don't want to get below this level, guys. You technically then don't want to get below this level. I don't think we're gonna get down there, you know, but you know, and you see here right now that the 10 and 20 moving average is right above this level, so technically we can fall below 20 moving average, but we don't want to fall below this line down here. We don't want to fall below this line down here. So 20 moving average, we want to hold the 20 moving average. So invalidation of everything, like that I just said right now, if you start falling down below the level, it's important to know. I'm not saying it's gonna go, but it's important to know where, you know, you should be careful. It's important to know. He's from Norway. If Elon would just refrain from tweeting for the low. No, Elon is fine. Like today, he tweeted something bullish, we go up, you know. And you know, he's gonna moon phases. Yeah, moon phases. Sorry, Rita. Sorry, I forgot about it. We gotta watch the moon phase, guys. It's our very favorite own personal, very nice indicator here on this stream. It works very nice on the daily, and it's called, guys. You gotta get this. This is so juicy. Moon phases. Moon phases, yeah. This, look at this, look at this. So you can already see here, once we, I don't know whether this is full moon, this is blue moon or white moon or whatever the moon is, but every time this goes from this moon to that moon, it goes down. You can see here clearly it goes down, right? And but every time it goes from this moon to that moon, it goes up, right? So right now we had this moon over here and we went a little bit up. So technically maybe the blue, this full moon, whatever, it might actually come down here somewhere, right? And we might actually drop down. So technically the moon phase are not actually giving us any hope. But what kind of music is this, man? I didn't sign up for this. But, you know, when everybody is thinking about something like moon phases is going down, what's gonna happen? We're gonna go up. We're gonna invalidate the moon phases, guys. We're gonna invalidate the moon phases. We're gonna go against the moon phases because that's how bullish we are. We're gonna go up. Moon phases, man. I don't know who made this indicator, but you know, he must probably be some kind of billionaire or something like that. Full moon tops for Northern Hemisphere. Sounds legit. Yeah, of course. Nick Black, $5. Keep up the content for another pump to the iPhone fund. Thanks, man. I'm glad you remember, guys. All the, you know, super chats going to the iPhone pump. Suntorn Pogasic, thanks for the $5, man. Appreciate money. Keep it up. Trying to keep it up. Thanks. You're going to iPhone fund, but I have to wait until fall because iPhone 13 is coming out. Yeah, I'm trying to buy iPhone for the wife with the super chat, so she will let me stream. She likes that. So we are. I think we are there already. I think I got enough for iPhone. TA Fans Club. That was supposed to be 50, lol. It's okay, man. I appreciate $5. $5 is fine. I mean, 50 is better, but $5 is fine. I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Should I sell everything on next time high or keep it BTC? The problem is we are gonna get a big kahuna resistance at 45k. So what you're doing at 45k, you know, you gotta choose what you're gonna do up here. Because I'm saying, you know, like if you start getting rejected, it's not actually 45k. It can be also between 45 and 50k. This area up here. Between 45 and 50k. So you know, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be people trying to push the price down, you know. Suntorn, $50. Thanks, man. That's actually $55. Do you want a refund on the $5? Joel Miranda, $5. Oh, money is just flying in right now. Oh god, yeah, nice. Thanks, man. I appreciate the money. You know, if this continues, I am gonna make this full-time job. You know, it's already right now feels like a full-time job, but I'm seeing that everybody's happy and nice. So as soon as we start getting, to get to 45,000 up here, guys, you know, you have to reconsider what you're gonna do. If the technical starts to change, you know, I'm saying like this can be, you know, that cat bounce or whatever they're saying in the bear market. B market might actually continue. But if we actually manage to break this, like all the goodies are coming, all the people that went out of the crypto, all the people that went back to the GameStop, all the people that FOMO'd into Doge and then FOMO'd out again, all of those people are gonna FOMO back in. Steve D, $10, appreciate it, man. Thanks so much for money, everybody. You know, I appreciate it a bunch. Appreciate it a bunch. Thanks. Love your content, bro. Keep it up. Planted ever, $2. Thanks, man. Cool. Yeah. Well, what's up with these stickers, man? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? I never seen that before. Nice. Thanks. This energy is for the reminder of your stream. I will be here to the moon. BTD Dogecoin. Okay, guys, you wanna see what's happening on some altcoins, guys? You wanna see what's happening on altcoins? Ethereum doing 7% today. Let's see how this 70% is doing today. You can see this pump over here, but is Ethereum above the resistance? I haven't been checking Ethereum in a while, and you know, Ethereum got a little bit to go, but this is the big resistance. It's just like Bitcoin's in big resistance, but I think maybe something like this over here, yeah, give or take, something like this. I don't think Ethereum's quite yet up there yet. Maybe like. It doesn't seem like it. Like it should be something like this. It isn't. It maybe this one of here. This is actually could not break it. So maybe we are breaking. Immortal, $5 super chat train, boys. Let's go. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Rounded up to 50. Enjoy energy. Just reach level another 57. Pump, pump, pump. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. My man, Matt, please. Like the video. Michael Altcoin. Michael Altcoin is our only moderator on this channel. He's very precise. If you need any help, you can ask Michael Altcoin. Ethereum, let's see the moving averages on Ethereum. Everything looks so fine. This is the daily, so on the daily we are still below the 10 and 20 moving average on the Ethereum, so we got a little bit where to go. Dimitris, $5. Check hot if you want. Cheers. I'll do chat. I'll do that. So Ethereum is still below the 10 and 20 moving average here, but on the 4 hourly I think it's looking at, yeah, on the 4 hourly it's actually breaking the downtrend right over here. I always there should be hotkeys for this right now. This small downtrend is getting broken, so that's nice, but we gotta get above this level up here. You know, you can see here the 200 moving average in the level is insane, but it is looking bullish, like it's up some percent, so it might actually just continue going up, but it is reaching some kind of resistance, just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is reaching the 200, this is reaching 50 moving average, but it is pumping, definitely pumping like everything else. Let's see the volume here on this. Yeah, it's small volume, but I'm thinking that everything actually, yeah, here it was actually the volume. No, this is not volume. Yeah. I think right now that Ethereum is kind of laggy behind, but you know, we take what we get. Where are you from? I'm from Norway, man. Norway. Scared now, lol. Nah, don't be. You the beard of all knowing charts. Yeah. So Ethereum, you know, it's pulling back. It's still above the 20 moving average on the weekly chart, so that's fine. Let's just remove the daily. Let's see over here how it looks. I haven't done Ethereum in a while, so you know, let's see if there is any kind of divergence being going on here. No, there is no divergence on Ethereum right now. It's playing exactly as a dollar. Yeah, it's playing good. It's playing good, man. It's playing good. 100 krooners. Regards from Narsnes. Love you, Tia. Thanks a lot. Ah, man. My man from Norway. Thanks, man. Appreciate the bucks. Appreciate it. It's going to the iPhone fund. Laser Zero, $5. Man, I love your streams. We are bullish. I'm happy we can see some green candles. Happy Crypto Sunday, everybody. Ada looks fire too. Yeah, I think a lot of people want to see Ada, but Ethereum, like it is going up. It is breaking some kind of lines over here right now. It might actually pop real nicely on the daily. It actually looks quite nice. This line it looks quite nice on the daily, so you know, might actually quite make it. Let's see Cardano. Everybody's excited about Cardano. You know, there are some worrisome lines on Cardano that I drew today, and right now we are just going back up on the daily to the moving averages because we are sitting down on support here. And let's see. I really need some kind of hotkeys for this, guys. Yeah, there was yeah, on Cardano we had hidden bullish divergence, so we are saying that it was gonna go up over here from the, and this was on today's Cardano video, you know, down here, right? We are saying this was gonna go up, but it went up to the, you know, the first resistance, and the first resistance here at you know, the moving averages. So you want to see today that we don't, you know, best case scenario we go above 20 all the moving averages today, but if we tomorrow close above all the moving averages, like everything is gonna pop. Everything is gonna pop really, really hard. So right now it doesn't look like we are actually breaking the, on the 4 hourly we are breaking the, you know, the move. You can see here on the 4 hourly Cardano is actually breaking the resistance and it's going higher, so that's good. You can see here really nicely breaking the resistance, so we want to hold that. So maybe some kind of move to the downside or something like that, but it doesn't matter. This looks right now bullish, this is right now this is hidden bearish divergence, so you think this is gonna go up, but you know, this isn't confirmed. If you just keep on getting green candles up here, this is gonna correct itself. So people are always you know, scared too early for the divergences. You have to wait for some kind of red candle, and then you have to see the next candle what's gonna do, you know. But it looks good. On the 4 hourly Cardano looks good right now, and it's breaking the resistance up here. It's going higher. Let's see if it's above the 20 moving average. Yeah, the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly is really important to stay above. You can see even on Cardano it's actually playing out really nicely. You can see here bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bearish, right? So right now we are bullish. I was staying above the resistance. It's really nice. But on the daily you want to get above this line up here on Cardano, above the 20 moving average, 162. If you get above 162 on Cardano while Bitcoin is going up, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Better to wait for retracement to buy in. Like, how big a retracement are you gonna get? Like 10%, 5%, 2%, how big retracement are you gonna get? That's the problem when price starts going up. Like there are no big retracements, guys. There are no big retracements. Right now we are looking at 5 moving chart. And look what the 5 minute chart is doing, guys. Look what 5 minute chart is doing. It's just going right now it's hitting this 20 moving average where it actually previously pumped. But right now it's hitting the 20 moving. It can just continue pumping. There is nothing that says that we cannot pump. There is nothing that says that we cannot pump. Look at this. Let's go to the 1 hourly. Yeah, I know everybody wants, but there was let's go to the 4 hourly chart. First thing first, let's pull the line. This is the resistance up here that we have to break. This is very important resistance, so you know, it also corresponds very nicely with 200 moving average, so we want to break that eventually, right? But right now on the downside, like this 37,800 line, important, and the daily, where is it? 4 hourly, what? Yeah, there was a trend line, of course. There was a trend line. There was a trend line down here, give or take. I think something like this. So the trend line. So these are two levels that we are actually hoping we can get retracement back to. But are we actually going to get retracement back to those levels? So we need to do something like this over here. But will that actually happen? I know everybody wants retracement, but will that actually happen? Will that actually happen? We'll see. This music, no. Okay, let's go for some maybe something like this. XRP, please. XRP. Let's do XRP as well. Wow, look at, okay, this 15-minute chart. XRP is blasting to the moon, guys. Look at this. It just follows on this 15-minute chart. 5-minute chart, like damn, it's just blasting right through everything. Wow, XRP is on the move, guys. XRP is on the move. Yeah, it broke my this was some kind of falling wedge. I don't know if you guys watched my XRP. Did you guys watch the XRP video? This is the falling wedge. We are in the falling wedge, and right now we are breaking out of the falling wedge up here. Looking good, guys. Looking good above the 50 moving average. Right now, the daily is getting you know, a resistance at the 10 and the 50 moving average. So on the XRP we gotta get about the 20 moving average, 93. I think that might actually happen tomorrow or something like that if we just continue doing this. It looks good. So let's remove these lines up here. I don't know what happened with my yeah, it's good. Okay, let's start with this. Ron, 50 bucks. If the monthly reach your level at the end, you will be Ragnar Lothbrok of crypto. If the monthly reaches your level at the end, you will be... Yeah, if you mean the bottom, the 40k? Hit the like for BT, it's 40k. Yeah, guys, hit the like button, you know, tell the YouTube algorithm this is the stream that's it's you know, the pump is going on. Any short-term growth for XRP if SEC losses get settled? Short-term price. I'm just looking at the technicals, and on technicals, you know, everything is priced in technically. So there was some kind of falling wedge down here. We are breaking that falling wedge. There is some kind of we can also, we are technically not out of the daily, I think. Yeah, we are still getting rejected by the daily down here, this daily trend. But I think tomorrow, next week is gonna be really exciting. What's gonna happen next week? 500,000, 500,000. We are early adopters at TLA. Mladen was my last. I don't think the 500,000 is big, but it's nice to have the 500,000. But I don't think it's gonna happen because in 2014 we went up 17, 18 times from the dip. But will we actually go 70, 80 times from the dip in 2021? But it would be nice. It would be nice. Who sold the button? Ron, give us a green candle, bro. I buy 50k euros. Let's see. What are we looking at now? Let's look at some of these smaller coins. Somebody asked for hot, right? Let's see how is hot doing. There is hot, 13% up. Let's remove all this. We are talking, we've been bearish there. Yeah, it looks like he's breaking it though. Let's use the other ones. Yeah, wow. Look at this, guys. On the daily, we are breaking the trend, guys. Holochain is breaking the trend on the daily. This is so nice. Look at this. Rejection. Right now breaking it. So if we can close above this line over here on Holochain, that's gonna be superbly nice. Let's see where the moving averages are. Right now we are getting rejected, not rejected, but resisted by the 20 moving average up here. So we gotta break above the 20 moving average. So you know, I think the pump is done for today. Right now it's waiting another 2 hours and 20 minutes to see where this is gonna go. But I think the next candle tomorrow it's gonna go higher. It's gonna go higher. But everything looks good. Doesn't matter what you look at, guys. Let's look at something that doesn't have a lot of percentages to the upside. What's true? Dogecoin, Celsius, true. I just saw something 2% down. Doesn't matter. Eurobest, can you check Dent? I won't check a lot of coins. Let's check these big coins that everybody is wondering about. Look what's happening with. You know, we gotta change the music. Drum bass. Yeah, we start over. Let's see what's happening with Dogecoin, the Elon Musk coin. Right now it's in red. Right now it pumped a little bit, but you know, it's still below 10 and 20 moving average up here. So let's see on the 4 hourly how this looks, because 4 hours, yeah, it's pumping as well. Let's see if it broke some important lines. Yeah, it looks like it's breaking it. Dogecoin looks like it's breaking the 4 hourly, so it's looking nice. I think this is it. Yeah, Dogecoin definitely broke it, not on this candle but previous candle. So Dogecoin is as well going into a new trend up here. So it changed the trend. This was some kind of support down here. Looks nice though, looks nice. Let's see the moving averages on the... Yeah, we are above the 10 and 20 moving average, so that's nice. Getting some kind of upper here. A little bit up there. But you know, the 10 and 20 moving average, so I want to see it above or up here on the daily. About 0.34, that would be nice. That'd be nice. Was there any divergence here, down here? No, there is no divergence here. Let's see on the 4 hour, is there a divergence for Dogecoin? Yeah. So Dogecoin, you know, the price over here was going down and the RSI was going up. And move to the upside. But it's nice, it looks okay. Right now it looks okay. BNB. Okay, let's do BNB and then we're done with the altcoins, guys. Then we go back to the Bitcoin and look at small time frames and see if we are getting the dip. 10% up, guys. There is no dip, guys. There is no dips. This just keeps on going up. No, maybe there is a dip. Let's see what's happening in BNB. 367 right now. BNB, wasn't it this like 50% discount, right? Yeah, this is the old one. Let's remove this. Yeah, 10 and 20. We are trying to break 10 and 20 on the daily up here, right? 367. We're trying to break 367. But the daily downtrend is actually broken. No, it's not broken. It's trying to break it. So this is a daily downtrend, you know, local downtrend. It's actually a pretty nice downtrend. Yeah, it's trying to break this downtrend. It is actually breaking it. So you know, if it can manage like the if it can manage like to stay up in this range up here, and then tomorrow it might actually have another green candle. A lot of it's gonna be done. A lot of it is gonna be done if it can manage to break that. Let's see on the 4 hourly how it looks. 4 hourly. 4 hourly is above most of the moving average. It only had 200 moving average right above it. Let's see how this 4 hourly trend. Yeah, 4 hourly is getting broken as well. Doesn't matter how you look at it. 4 hourly trend is getting broken as well. Yeah, definitely. It looks good. It's pumping right now, but the daily, I would like to get above this level up here. Like something, is there something here on the, let's see the weekly chart. There's nothing. It's above 20 moving average. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. That's enough. It's nice. What? There is it. There is it. Okay, that's it for the altcoins, because you know I cannot spam altcoins. Let's look a little bit on the Bitcoin as well. Are there any questions about Bitcoin? Something you wonder about? I'm from China. I'm not going to sell anyway from a portfolio before 2027. If you can hodl to 2027, all more power to you. Most of the people on this channel, most of the people in crypto, you know, they are in for the quick gains. But if you can hodl, you go, boy. So this is actually working out. Let's see if we're gonna get dumped, because everybody wants to know if there is gonna be a dump. So let's try to find something that's actually confirm our suspicion. So there is divergence here, right? But this divergence played out, you know, so it went a little bit down. There is no more divergence playing up here, so this might pull the upside. So it's hard to say. It's hard to say on the. Let's see, 10 minutes. Do we get anything on 10 minutes? No, 15 minutes maybe. Nah, everything looks like fine. 30 minutes. We're just a little bit overextended on 1 hour, so maybe 1 hour is just gonna go sideways. Sideways. You know. How many hours left? 2 hours left. 2 hours left. So 1 hourly. So this one is, and then 2 more lines over here. Maybe we can get. Maybe we can get the pullback before the close, daily close. Maybe. What level do you think we will trace to before we continue? It's hard to say. Like everybody's, you know, we are thinking like 37.9, maybe 37.9, maybe. That's a hopium, guys. That's hopium. And then we have it's actually down here, and then we have the trend line, of course. So these two lines are really important. These two lines are really important. So, you know, we are hoping we can retrace back down again. But you have to, guys, you have to ask yourself, 3%, is it worth it? And also be careful about stop loss. But I've told you, like, hanging man, 1 hour. Yeah, it's not closed yet. It's not closed. 11 minutes left to go. Koinski says via tweet he doesn't like the volume. Yeah, the volume. Do you know, guys, when the volume kicks in? You are not a trader, just buy. Exactly. Guys, do you know when the volume kicks in? Volume kicks in on the retracement. Here it is when the volume kicks in. So right now we broke upside. Nobody knows what's happening, right? And then it tries the retracing, and on the retracement it kicks in. Okay, so the volume, if the volume is going to come in on the retracement. For good entry we need retracement. Hi TLA, Mikuju fan here. Thank you for the optimism. I send love back to Mikuji. Yeah, I'm super excited about this right now. I'm super excited about this. But yeah, the volume kicks in after the right now. There is some volume up here. It's not a lot, but there is some volume. But big volume, the kind of volume that you guys want to see, is gonna come after the retracement. If there is a retracement, it's gonna come after the retracement. Because if this just continues going up, people still have to start FOMO, and then volume just slowly build up, right? But if we do have a retracement, on the retest, it's gonna kick in. What price do you think the BTC will reach this bull market? $500,000, man, $500,000. And you saw how we concluded the $500,000. Mikuji is the man. Yeah, Mikuji is good. Bro, I like to grow bees, same as yours. Yeah, you just stop cutting it and it grows. This is my Corona beard. When Corona hit, I said like, I didn't want to shave anymore, don't have to go to work. So it kind of grew up, and I was like, yeah, when Corona stops, I'm gonna, cut it. But Corona never stopped, and now it's my thing, so, I'm stuck with the beard now. Bitcoin massively oversold on hourly, going to affect us. Oversold on hourly chart. How is it oversold on hourly chart? See, there is the volume on hourly, guys. Who says there is no volume? Here's the volume as well. Now, hourly chart. How are we oversold on hourly chart? I don't see it. Fat mustache. Learned a lot. Thanks, man. Hey, that's good, that's good. What's CoinKid's handle? Probably something like Twitter at CoinKid or something like that. Would you recommend buying BTC over ERA or other altcoins? I wouldn't recommend anything. Like, it's hard to predict what's gonna do what. Where is your accent from? Oh, I'm from former Yugoslavia. Check CoinKid Twitter. Massive volume. Let's check CoinKid Twitter and give him some love as well. Okay, where's the there. Okay, let's go to Twitter. And that's my Twitter. And CoinKid, did he say anything? No, let's go homepage, right? No, CoinKid. Bitcoin, carefully, it has to close on the 4 hour above 39,476 and also on the daily above 20 EMA 37,749. I don't like the lack of volume on the current breakout. Are we gonna reply to him? What are we gonna write? Hi from the live stream. We don't care. We bull now. Go Bitcoin. Much love from the stream. Keep it up. There we go. We send some love that way. Go to sleep, mama. We don't care. I'm here. Oh, you're here. Nice. Hey man, how you doing? So you think we gonna, yeah, okay. So technically, of course, we are not closed yet above the 10 and 20 moving average, and that's fine. We are not closed above 10 and 20, but this is the bullish engulfing candle on the daily. So we've been bearish for too long. Right now it's time to have some party. It's time to have some fun. Cool beans, bro. I love the comment. We bull now. Yeah, we bull now. Why not? I mean, as long as it lasts, I gotta pump the subscribe numbers. We always gonna be bull. I cannot find coins can handle the account I'm on. Depends. Doesn't look same as his handle. So his handle, is where is it? So CoinKid, his handle is TomskiWeb. I can just do it like this. There we go. There, go visit CoinKid. Can you share? Yeah. CK enters the room. Ella and CK gonna have a kiss and cuddle now. Yeah. I love CK, man. That guy's when I was bearish, that guy was keeping the optimism. That guy, CoinKid, actually predicted the dump. He's predicted the 200k, and I think he actually might be right, guys. I think actually he might be right. The best guy ever, man. The best guy ever. It's always a party with CK and late in the house. Yo, CK, Mr. Crystal Ball, hope you're having a good night. If I ever see you in the streets, I'll buy you a pint. Yeah. Yes, I was on a scam account. Yeah, there are a lot of scam accounts. I got once. I got scammed on Twitter for 0.02 or 0.02 dollars. No, so 0.02 Bitcoin. Actually 0.04 Bitcoin. Hard times, man. Everybody gets scammed. 200k versus 500k Bitcoin war. Guys, the 500k was a joke, but let's roll with it. Why not? Let's roll with the 500k. We got a little overstand with the icons here. Yeah. Matt Howell, you're a bear trap. Time to make money. Have you seen CK in real time? No, I don't think anybody has seen CK in real time. How you get to 500? That would be awesome. Yeah. It might happen. It might happen. Why not? We're gonna run for as long as we can. By the way, guys, we're gonna do this stream for 5 more minutes. We're gonna get our hourly candle. Hourly candle is over here. It's nothing uneventful is gonna happen, but you know, 500 candles, 500 candles. Right now, yeah, there we go, guys. Maybe you're gonna get your, maybe you're gonna get your dippity dip, okay? Maybe you're gonna get your dippity dip 37,005 or something like that. Maybe this is the start of the dippity dip. Let's see the 1 minute chart. You know, why not? You know, maybe if this blasts right up again, right over here, nothing. But you know, it might happen. It might happen. See 5 minute chart. We'll see. Chainlink and dot looks bearish. 5 minute chart always look bearish, man. Half time is too bearish. I just want more time to pick these bags. You have like an entire month, man. Entire month. Why is this music so weird? So we're gonna keep TLI Konski, will you do video in Lambo outside Burj Khalifa like MM Da Vinci in the next bull run? Coinskid, you come with me to Dubai. I'm gonna bring the wife and kids, you know, you can bring your girlfriend or whatever. You never say what you got, you know. You know, you can meet in Dubai to drive the Lambos. You drive the Lambo, I'll drive the van. You know, we can cruise through the streets, make some crypto and the moon videos. Could you, late adopter or Coinskid, do a TIA on Marlin Pond? Don't know what it is, man. Elliott wave for retracement and then a wave 5 pump. Yeah, I always said I don't like Elliott waves, but I think maybe Coinskid, you know, got something going on there. You know, on the Elliott waves, I think Coinskid got something going on. So let's do quick Elliott wave count because, you know, why not? You know, I don't do Elliott waves. I don't like Elliott waves. It just messes me up too much. But if this is 1 and this is 2 and this is this is 1 and this is 2, then you got 3, the big wave, then you got 4 retracement, then you got 5, right? That's 1 2 3 4 5, and now we're having the ABC correction. Now there's 2 ways this ABC correction can be done. There's 2 ways. You can have A down here, B, and then C, right? That's one way, but the bullish one, the one that I like, is this is A, B, C. We done, guys. We done. This is already move. This is already move move 1 of 2, and then you know. This is 3, then some kind of 4, and then you know 5. Where is 5? Where is 500? There we go. This should be higher, something like this. Yeah, there we go. And then a little bit like this over here. Like this. Yeah, this is nice. This is fair. Yeah, this going to 45,000. Yeah, that's fine. Big dump. And then 3k or something like 250k. Then everybody's like, oh, it's finished bull run. No, it's not finished. And then we go like this. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's why I like these Elliott waves sometimes, you know, you can play with them all day long. And there we go, 1 minute left. Let's go to the hourly chart. Let's zoom in over here, see what's actually happening. Wait for retracement in 1 hour to you draw anything. When will the dead cross potentially kick in if we start at this current price level? Somewhere around, let's wait 5 minutes. Let's look at 5 minute chart over here. Guys, you might get your retracement. Maybe you are getting your retracement over here, because right now you are failing the 20 moving average. So this might actually technically go down to 50, and if it goes down to 50, technically it can go down more. So maybe you are getting your retracement, guys. Maybe the guy that wanted the 75, you know, 37,500, maybe he's getting his line. Maybe. You know, that crosses pump. Yeah, that crosses pump, guys. That crosses pump. So we closed on the 1 hourly right now, right? There's the close on the 1 hourly, just a small retracement right now, looking like weekend. Maybe it's gonna continue down. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Nothing eventful right now on the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Yeah, small time frame, still going down. So maybe there is some kind of retracement. Sofia, maybe Serbia, maybe Bosnia, maybe Herzegovina, maybe Mostar. What time do the Asians wake up? That's when the dip will happen. I don't know. You know, Asia is pretty big. I don't think they sleep. I'll say my kidney to buy BTC. Just your kidney, man. You don't believe in BTC? Just the kidney? These reactions can get you in a roll in SNL. I put more money in it and push price up. I went to Mostar in 1990. I hope you enjoyed that, man. I hope you enjoyed. It's too hot there now, right now. It's too hot, man. Too hot. In summer it's like 40 degrees. Too hot. Guys, did you know, guys? There is 3 things you have to do. First thing first, go to Twitter. Go to Twitter to my the late adopter, TLR Crypto. Follow me there. Go to YouTube. To my web page is the late adopter. You know, the late adopter. 32k sub. Oh, 32k, new record. Nice. Follow me there and go to check. You don't have to do it, but Patreon. Go to Patreon and check it out. We got something called exclusive TLI content. If you are interested in just like extra videos, extra information, or if you want to learn the technical analysis. If you want to learn tech analysis, we got something called Tech Analysis Crash Course. If that's your thing, you know, you can check that. That's the 3 things. I don't have Instagram on OnlyFans yet, so, you know, maybe at one point. I love it. 12 months before the war. If you were there before the war, yeah, 1990. Yeah, that's the best time, man. That's the best time. That's the best time. Ljudi go, znao sam da si odavde negdje. Pozdrav iz Splita. Split is nice. You got that sea where the sea is like 1 meter or something. I was a kid. I was like 10 years old. I was the Split. They had this really nice beach. You can go like 50 meters into the water, and it's like only 1 meter long, 1 meter deep. It's really nice. So guys, if you have kids, go visit Split, because there is some real nice beaches for kids. If I buy 1 Bitcoin today and hold it until 2026, how much should it be worth in USD by 2026? 550 million? No, I don't know. Oh, I'm getting a lot of followers on Twitter. Nice. Thanks for joining, guys, at the Twitter. Thanks for joining the oh no, don't go up, man, don't go up. We need a dump, man. We need. Can somebody sell? Come on, take or buy. If you buy, you know, take from once you buy, it's gonna go down, right? So if you have that luck, you know, when you buy, the price goes down. Take one for the team and push the price all the way down, because we other wants to buy down here, okay? Push the price down, guys. Push the price. We just want to buy just a little fast dip, and then we go up, okay? Just a little dip. Just a little dip, okay, guys? Would you mind checking the new project here? Nah, sorry, man. Talking about tourist beach. Yeah, probably. I'm dealing with FOMO right now. Yeah, everybody's dealing with FOMO right now. There are a lot of people following on Twitter now. I'm getting notifications. Thanks for joining, guys. And there is one last thing we have. TA Fans Club. TA. How is that working? TA Fans. Yeah, like this. No. Why? TLA Fans. Where is the fans? There. Yeah, TIA Fans Club. If you want to join TIA Fans Club, you know, you go to YouTube page, click join button, you know. It's just for the emojis. If you want to have the emojis, want to have your name in green, you know, TIA Fans. TIA Fans for you. We don't have OnlyFans yet. Anyways, guys, I'm super bullish, super ecstatic. Join me tomorrow at 9:30 Central European Time on the dollar. Every single day we got a live stream, Bitcoin Daily live stream on the dollar, first thing in the morning, because we gotta know what's happened during the night. First thing in the morning, we're gonna look at Bitcoin every single day, 9:30 Central European Time. Join me tomorrow. We're gonna see if we got our dip or not. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me into this very nice, ecstatic, and good mood stream. I liked it a lot. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the super chats. Thanks for the being nice people, I like Serbian war song like Mlada Srpska grada by Rocky Vučić. No, I don't know it. Maybe some other. Coinskid is here. Yeah, Coinskid. Later, Zud, Lady Coinskid. Thanks for joining, man. I appreciate every time you're in the chat. You know, my chat gets a lot more exciting. So thanks for that. Thanks for joining. Thank you again for this TLI. Yeah, guys, thanks a lot. Now, where is my stop button, guys? Where is the stop button? I cannot find the stop button. I think it's somewhere in the corner. Somewhere in the corner. And like the video on the way out. You don't have to like the video on the way in, but on the way out, hit the like button and then go. You know. Nobody knows where my stop button is. So many TIA Fans Club members and nobody know where the stop button is. I have to find it myself. Dr. Recruito, welcome to TIA Fans Club. There is the stop button. Okay, guys, enjoy the chat, and also the party is continuing in the Telegram probably. There is the stop button. Yeah. Okay, guys, have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. Don't FOMO in too fast. You know, there will always be some kind of a pullback. Maybe not right now, but you know, if you can handle the pullbacks, you know, you go there. Okay, guys, see you around. Bye bye. Oh, you know what we're gonna do. You know what we're gonna do. We gotta end it with a beat. We gotta end it with a beat, right? We gotta end it with a beat, guys. So we go to the Twitter notifications, not important. We go here. We gotta end it with a beat, guys. We gotta end it with a beat. Oh yeah. This is from now on. This is our closing music.
Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can.
Okay, guys, take care. Take care.
What don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
That's it, guys. Have a nice night. Bye bye.